and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcie, and today I received some Happy Mail from Linnae at my 60s life. I participated in her, and so she reached out and asked if she could send me a little something, and I said, of course. So here is the box. I didn't look in it yet, I just opened it. And then purple is my favorite color. Love that. So cute. Hi Marcie, enjoy this Happy Mail and have a wonderful crafty day. Linnae, my 60s life. Thank you so much, Linnae. I love that. Oh, that is adorable. That is so cute. Let me open this up. And get this out of here. Oh, that is so cute. I love handmade cards. She's got her little maker's mark on the back. Set this aside. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Oh, I've seen these bags. I think that's what it is. Oh, look. Oh, that is adorable. I've seen these bags being made. And sorry for the crinkle. I love this. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, Linnae, this is so cute. And I love the Halloween theme. I have a little tassel here. I'm not doing it justice. Let me move that out of the way. You can see it better. That is so cute. And then I'm going to take, I don't want this little container to break and it okay. So let's just admire. Let me take this off real quick because I think that's what's weighing it down just a little bit. Okay, that is so cute. So I have one of these plastic jelly totes, and so this is a paper version, and I have seen the dies to make these. I also have a Cricut maker, so I'm sure that there's a SVG file on there, but this is adorable. I love the bow with the flat back, the little ear, Mickey ears. Oh, that is so beautiful, Linnae. I'll have to look and see if you had videos on making those. And we have a little Mickey Mouse envelope and some ephemera inside. These are little cut aparts. So cute. It's getting that time of the year, and I'm not ready just because of what all is entailed in the holiday season, but those are adorable. This is one of those flip. Oh, that's cute. So we have some little paper flowers. I like how you reuse the packaging too. I was saving all of my packaging and it was out of control. I had so many bins full that I had to let some go, but great idea. And little mini ears. Oh, that is so cute. Little bows. And then another little dangle. Let's see what that. So cute. And then some bigger bows. So talented. And then here is a little Kit Kat bar. Awesome. And your little candy holder. That is so adorable. Sorry if I keep saying the same adjectives, but it is. That's just so cute. Another little bow. Love that. And then, okay, we did that. Set that aside. And then there's something else down here. Use the tissue paper to help. Oh, oh, that's cute. And it's a purple little, oh, it's those shaker bags. Oh, I love that. These are the little pencil pouches. And then it's filled with some goodies. There's like shaker mix inside the pouch. And then a little pencil wand. I need to keep this away from my granddaughter. Her favorite color is also purple and loves pens. I love your little keychain dangle. Oh, look at that. This little spider on a little purple bead. And is this one of those clipboards? That is so cute. It is. And it's, oh, it's a Dollar Tree canvas. And then a little altered composition notebook. Minnie and her fashionista vibe there. Oh, this is perfect. I want to participate in Jen from Jen from Clever Duck Creations and Erin at Coop's Place Craft. They do a Sunday glue book, and one of these days, I keep saying one of these days, life is going to calm down. I'm for sure it's going to happen. I believe it's going to happen. So that is an adorable keychain. And Linnae, thank you so much. You did not have to, and I know that you know that, but I appreciate that you did. And this is just, I think this is my first Halloween season Happy Mail that I've received. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. I loved being a part of your swap. I had so much fun in creating my partner's Cinderella gift set and or the items for the swap. So thank you so much for organizing it. I know it's a lot of hard work, and I just appreciate that you let me be involved in that. And I love all the goodies. Thank you so much. You were so sweet and thoughtful for sending me some Happy Mail. And I will see you all in my next video. Go check out Linnae. She is at My 60s Life. And I'll link her information below. This is all of the little items. Oops, I forgot one. And, but visit her channel. Give her some crafty love. And until next time, have a magnificent day. Bye-bye.